Hello guys, myself Bhumika Jain. This is the very first video that I'll be posting on my channel. Today I cleared my law SPOM exam with 76 marks. So I'll be telling you from what all chapters the questions came. Firstly, it was a very tricky one. You need to have a good learning of the concepts like the number of days because the MCQs appear to be a slight similar. So that's why you need to read, study with a great concept. So from directors chapter I didn't got much questions, but yes, from the directors chapter I got questions on proportional representation, that is the 2/3 required in case of proportional representation, 2/3. Then removal of directors as well as special notice required, so special notice is to given to all or such directors. Then remuneration in case of inadequate profits as per schedule 5, whether sitting fees is included in that. Recovery of excess remuneration, can it be waived off, and if it can be waived off, you need to pass SR. So that was the correct option. Then compensation for loss of office in case of winding up, no, it is not provided. Then disclosure of interest, if interest is up to 2%, that is section number 184, 188, you need to do it. Important. Then next question which came was maintenance of register by private company of the interest by the directors in different companies. So is private company exempt? Then related parties were given. Then it was asked who can be the director in that. Then coming on to inspection, inquiry, investigation, section number 206, that banks have not to disclose certain information of clients on that. So two, three questions on that. Then on CAA, that is compromise and amalgamation mergers, notice of the meeting to creditors or members, the number of days and whether it is through postal ballot or not. Then corporate debt restructuring and objections for CAA has to be filed by the members or creditors having how much percentage of equity or debt respectively. Then coming on to operation mismanagement, I got two questions, this much only I remember. Then coming on to winding up, it was about 6 to 8 marks questions were there. From miscellaneous, I got a question only from restoration of name of company, it is to be within 3 years. So 2 questions on that first part, not any question from Nidhi or government company. From government company I got only one question, that whether it is a government company or not, that is 51% has to be with the central government, state government. Then coming on to SEBI, so the questions came from mainly like board, the composition of the board of SEBI, the age of the chairman, whether he can be appointed, what will be the tenure, maximum tenure. From section 11C, investigation, so the under investigation 11C is like very important, custody of the books of accounts for how many months. Then investigation, during investigation persons or someone notes are recorded, but it is not read out to the director, so whether it is binding on director or not, such kind of question was asked. Then insider trading penalty was also asked. From SEBI LODR I didn't got any of the question, that was quite disappointing. Then from SEBI ICDR, like IPO, for if you have to apply IPO, then the time limit, so within 3 working days and 10 working days, that is the answer. Lot size 10 to 15,000, that was the option provided. So yeah, a good amount of weightage was there. Then from FEMA, 8 to 10 marks weightage was there. Like residential status question was asked, PRI or PROI, a branch of a foreign company was given, and then that branch which was situated in India controlled some another branch outside India, so both will be PRI, such question. Then schedule 2 question on price in case of sports, to up to, if it is greater than $1 lakh, you need to take permission. Then schedule 3 part 1 for individuals, withdrawal of currency greater than 2,50,000, then whether any approval is required from RBI, that. Then appeal to special director within how many days. From FECRA I got around 8 to 10 marks questions for scholarship, application to whom, whether required or not, registration certificate validity. So yeah, and 2-3 questions were there, but I didn't remember now. From IBC, 6 to 8 marks questions were asked, like until RP is appointed, can RP be appointed, related to financial creditor. So these were the questions which were asked. Thank you. But the main thing is that you have to cover a very minute details of all the chapters, and I did basically self-study, so I recommend for law you should also